Most people believe that building a real investment portfolio takes weeks of painful research, a financial advisor, and thousands of dollars that you just don't have. And that one single belief is the number one reason why most people who want to invest never actually start. But what if I told you that you could build a diversified wealth building portfolio in less time than it takes to get a pizza delivered? After spending years of studying finance and coaching beginners, I've simplified this entire process down to a 3-fund system that anyone with a smartphone can set up. I call it the 10-minute investor method. And in this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you click by click what the process actually looks like inside of a real brokerage account so you can stop being a consumer and start being an investor today. Okay, before we even start pulling up Fidelity and start clicking buttons, we need to have a conversation about the why. Because if you don't get this part right, then the how doesn't matter. Listen, this isn't just about stocks. This is about a fundamental mindset shift. Most people, they operate from an employee mindset where their money flows in on payday and then flows right back out due to bills, Amazon, and good food in restaurants. You need to start thinking like a CEO of your money. And this is where my core philosophy comes from. Give your money an assignment. An employee's money always disappears, but a CEO's money always gets put to work. And this idea is the central to everything that we do here, because this is the foundation of everything that is to building wealth. By the way, this philosophy is so important, and that's exactly why I created a free guide about it. It's called Give Your Money an Assignment. I'll tell you more about it later, but the link is at the very top of the description if you want to grab it after this video. So what exactly is that assignment for your money? Well, it's a simple 3-part mission. I'm going to show you the 3 types of funds that create a powerful, diverse portfolio. And what we're going to be using is ETFs, which are nothing more than just a basket of stocks. I need to say this before we get started. I'm not your financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. There is risk in everything, and you must understand that risk. Make sure you do your own research. And with that being said, let's get to the 3 funds. An example of the first fund would be VTI. And with this fund, you could own a tiny piece of every major company in America, much like Apple, much like Amazon, and yes, even Google. Now, this would be your main driver for long-term growth. Now, the second part of this fund will be the global reach, where this is the international stock market. And an example of this would be VXUS. Listen, you can't just bet only in America. And with this fund, it allows you to get a piece of the top companies around the entire globe, from Europe to Japan. This second fund gives you global diversification. And last but not least, the third, which is the total US bond market. This third fund would be your defense. An example of this particular fund would be BND. Now this would be your stability, your anchor. And when the stock market gets rocky, bonds often hold steady and usually go down less. Now this would be a part of the portfolio that helps you sleep at night. And that's it. A 3-part plan for global diversification that has been proven for decades. Okay, so remember when I told you guys I'm going to show you click by click? Well, here it is. So we're going to go up to select an account, and you're going to go down to the drop down arrow. Now, of course, whatever account that you have made, that's the one that you're going to click. And with that being said, I'm not going to show mine because, of course, I would be showing my account numbers, but we're going to go over to the ticker symbol and we're going to click VTI. And once you click here, you're going to see what the current price is. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to go down to where it says action. We're going to click the down arrow and we're going to click buy. Now, in the next box, you'll see quantity. You can click 1 for the shares, but a very cool feature that you'll find is if you click the down arrow, you'll be able to go to dollars. Now you can do $1 or $5 or even $10. each of the quantity that you get for dollars equals up over time to the amount of whatever the current price is. All right, and now lastly, we're going to go down to where it says order type. You're going to click the down arrow and you're going to see market. Always choose market. And all that means is that whatever the current price is, that is exactly where you are getting in at immediately. Now with that, you would go down to where it says preview order, and all essentially it's doing is previewing everything just before you buy the stock to make sure everything is all good. And that's essentially it. All you're really doing is rinse and repeating this process, doing the same thing for every other stock, such as VXUS and BND and whatever other stock that you come across in your investing journey. So there you have it. The biggest myth in finance, that investing is complicated and that it takes forever, has officially been busted. You have seen with your own eyes that it can be very simple, fast, and something that you can do yourself. And the hardest part of all of this is taking that first step. And your assignment is taking what you just learned and do it. And as a final reminder, the absolute best first step that you can take is to download my free guide that started it all. Give your money an assignment. It's linked right at the top of the description. And this will solidify this mindset for you forever. If you got any value from this video, do your boy a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel, and subscribe if you want to keep building wealth together. I love you and I appreciate your time. And the last thing I'll say is this: I am only here to remind you of the power to which you hold. And that power has always been within you. And I'll see you in the next one.